Hello, you can easily create a job card for your customers using the Norakle software. Let me show you how. So you click on customer and click on job card. Beside that, there's a drop down where you click on job card. Okay, so let's click on add new card. Right over here, you want to fill everything that you need, the required information. So it is either you type in and select, or you add new customer if the person is not on the system, recorded on the system. So what's the vehicle make? And say Toyota year 2019, right? So when you're done with everything here, we're going to click on job card, create job card. So assuming you're done selecting, you click on create job card to really create. So once you're done, you want to view cards, you click on view cards. So you can see the list of cards that has have been created over time. Now, assuming you want to check the diagnosis of your customer and you want to add it, you can come back to the customer, click on it, click on job card. Beside it here, you click on diagnosis. So if you want to add new diagnosis, you can just click on add new diagnosis. So right here, you are to impute or enter the required information that the customer complained, the diagnosis itself, ABC and VSC, the repair stone, the recommendation if there's any, and there's a note to follow if you can input the note if there is any. Click on submit. So when you're done that and you want to view the diagnosis, you click on view diagnosis. Okay, so here you are to see the diagnosis that has been recorded already for your customer, so it makes it easier for them. Thank you for watching.